Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in this video we will learn about what is operators. Okay, so in the Python we have some operators like we have arithmetic operator, we have assignment operator, we have comparison operator, we have logical operator, we have identity operator. So we will see one by one. Okay, so first we will see what is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator means if you want to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, for that we are using the arithmetic operator. So how we will start that? So suppose we have two variables, A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Now we want to do the addition and we want to store that addition inside our third variable. So what we can do, C equals to A plus B. Okay, A plus B. Now you need to just print C. So what will happen? 10 plus 20. So what you will get here? You will get 30. Because inside the C variable, we have A plus B. It means 10 plus 20 is 30. You will get 30 here. Okay. After that, we can do the subtraction, we can do the multiplication, and we can do the division. Suppose I will write the variable name sum, and here we have to print sum. After that, we can do subtraction equals to A minus B. Then multiplication equals to A multiplied by B. After that, division equals to A divided by B. Okay? A divided by B. Now we need to just print all these variables. So print sum, then print subtraction. After that, we need to print multiplication. Then we will print division. Okay. Now what will happen if I will run? So you will get 10 plus 20, 30, 10 minus 20 minus 10, 10 into 20, 200, 10 divided by 20 is 0.5. So this is our arithmetic operator. Now we will see the next operator, which is the comparison operator. So why we are using the comparison operator? If you want to compare two values, okay? So for that, we have equals to comparison operator. We have not equals to, we have greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. So this all are the comparison operators. So let's see this one also with the help of example. Suppose we have A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Now we want to print A is equal to B. So this is your comparison operator. So what will happen? You will get false. Now print A is greater than B. So this is our second comparison operator. So this one is also false because A is less than B. So now we can print one more. Print A is less than B. Now here you will get a true. Because yes, A is less than B. After that, we need to just print A is greater than equals to B. So print A is greater than equals to B. So what you will get? False. That's perfect. So this all are the comparison operator. Print A is less than equals to B. So this is our comparison operator. Okay. After that, we will see the third operator. So what is our third operator? That is logical operator. So logical operator means what? So in the logical operator, we have only three operators, which is and, or, not. Okay. So and means what? Suppose if you have two conditions, like 5 is greater than 3 and 4 is greater than 3. So what will happen? If both the condition is true, then only you will get a value, otherwise not. Okay, it means suppose x equals to 5. After that, we want to print x is greater than 3 and we have to use this keyword and x is less than, suppose 10. Now what will happen? You will get true. Why? Because see, my first condition is true. Because in the x we have 5. So 5 is greater than 3. Yes, this condition is true. And 5 is less than 10. Yes, this condition is also true. So you will get true value. Next, we will see the OR condition. So in the OR condition, if suppose if you have two conditions, two expression, okay? So if one expression is true, the second expression is false, so you will get true value, okay? Suppose x equals to 5, okay? And we need to print x is less than 2, means 5 is less than 2. So this condition is false. Or here we have to use keyword or, x is greater than 5 or x is greater than 3. So what will happen if I will run? You will get true. Why? See, my first condition is false, but my second condition is true. So you will get true value. So this is your logical operator. Okay. So we will see one last operator, which is your identity operator. So identity operator means what? If you want to compare the objects, okay, so for that we are using the identity operator. So we have two types of identity operator. We have is and is not. So that we will see with the help of example. Suppose we have one variable x equals to, we have some values here like apple, and we have second value which is mango. Okay. After that, we have one more variable like y equals to, we have again some value apple, mango, means we have same value. Now what will happen? Suppose we have one more variable z equals to x, means whatever value we have in x, we copied that value inside the z variable. Now I want to print x is z. Okay, what I want to print? X is z. So what will happen? What you will get here if you will run? You will get true, because whatever value we have in x, we copied that value into the z variable. So means you will get your true value. So this is our identity operator. So we have four types of operators. We have arithmetic operator, we have comparison operator, we have logical operator, and we have identity operator. So in the next video, we will learn some more concepts. So till that, please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much.